Now let us start with this exercise. Okay. All right. Mathematics exercise 4.1, question number 1. Use the figure to name. This figure we have to use, okay? Are you all getting my screen, girls?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so now what is the thing that they are saying? Use the figure to name 5 points, a line, 4 rays, and 5 line segment. What we have to do? We have to use the figure to name 5 points, a line, 4 rays, and 5 line segment. Is this they already said we don't have to find the points. They are saying directly that there are 5 points. So what are the 5 points here? Who will tell me? What are the 5 points here?
Sir,
Nobody
your
from the
voice is
class?
breaking. Sir,
What are the points here? Yes, beta.
OB.
Is my voice clear to you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
now it is.
Point O, point B, point O, then
Point
point
C.
B, point B, then point C, point E, and point D. Are you getting, girls, what we did?
Yes, sir.
Anybody has any doubt now from here? So point
No,
O,
sir,
point
no
B,
doubt.
point C, point E, point D are the 5 points in the given diagram, in the given figure. Understood? Now we have to give the name of a line. Line kai છે?
Line DE.
Sorry? First let us check the answer here. 5 points. Can we see point? Is that okay?
Okay.
Now, line કોને કોને કહેવાશે?
Line DE.
Can I say that
DEO.
DE is one line? Then, what is the next line? Can I say DO is one line?
DB.
Then, can I
Yeah.
say DB is one line? Can I say
Yes,
EO is
DB.
one line? Can
Yes,
I say
sir.
EB is one line?
Yeah.
Can I say OB is one line?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you getting my point? So how many lines
Yes.
do we have?
Yes.
જો O
We
અને B,
have.
આ બધા પોઈન્ટ કાઢી નાખો ને અહીંયા એન્ડ એરો કરી નાખો તો O and B is one line. બરાબર? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Are you getting my point?
Huh.
Yes.
Then can I
Huh.
say E?
Yes. Yes.
Oh, I just deleted this. I'm so sorry by mistake. Can I say OE is one line if there are two endpoints here? Extended. There is no other point.
Yes,
Can I
sir.
say EO is also one line? Can I say DB is one line? DB. Can I say DO is also one line? DO. Can I say DE is also one line? So we got 5 different lines. Are you getting? Are you getting, girls?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
There are only 4 lines given here, but I have given you 5 different lines. Okay? One,
It's okay.
2, 3, 4, and OB. That is 5th line. Okay, who will tell me what are the 4 rays?
Four
Four
Rays.
rays are OD,
OD,
Very good. OD, very
OE,
good. Then
OE,
OE is very good.
OE,
OC,
OC,
OC, very good.
OD.
DE, OD,
Correct.
OD,
Your answer is correct.
OE,
Your answer is correct. From O to B is one ray. From O to C is one ray. I can say from O to E is one ray, and can I say O to D is also one ray? Yes, I can
Yes,
say
sir.
easily. Chalo, 5 line segment. Now, all the lines which was written here, can I say that will be a line segment? If between 2
Yes.
dots I give DB is one line segment, forget about these arrows. Forget about these arrows. Can I say BB is one line segment? Can I say DE is one line segment? Can I say DO is one line segment? Can I say EO is one line segment? Can I say OB is one line segment? DE, OE, OC, OB, OD are the line segment. All this will be covering for line segment. OC will be line segment. Forget about these arrows. OB is one line segment. Forget about these arrows. OE is one line segment. OD is one line segment. D, E, B, and DB also are said to be line segment. Is that clear, girls? Question number 1.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt here?
No,
sir,
sir,
no
no
doubt.
doubt.
No, sir, no doubt.
Chalo, question number 2 read karo. Question number 2.
Okay, okay. Name the line given in all possible 12 ways, choosing only 2 letters at a time from the foregiven.
What we have to give? We have to give the line, name of all the line given in all possible ways. In all possible ways. Can I take first AB, line AB, symbol down line AB, line AC, line AD. Okay? Any doubt here?
No, sir, no doubt.
Okay, coming back to B, line BC, sorry, line BC and line BD. Okay, then line CD. કેટલા થઈ? કેટલી થઈ? 6 lines, 6 ways.
Six.
Now, can I change this to AB to BA? Can I change this AC to CA? Can I change this DA? Can I change this CB? Can I change this DB? Can I change this DC? I got the all 12 possible ways.
Yes, sir.
समझ पड़े છે કે
Yes,
નહીં?
sir.
Are you
Yes,
getting
sir.
my point?
Yes, sir.
Line AB પણ કહેવાય, line DA પણ કહેવાય. So line AD and DA. You can take this line AB also and line BA also. Line AB, BA. Line AC also, line CA also. Line AD also, line DA also. Line BC, CB. Line BD, line DB. Are you getting? Line CD, line DC. Any doubt here, girls? Let us check the answer. All 12 ways. Line segment. Sorry, this is the line segment given. We have to put two and arrows. Huh? Line AB, line AC, line AD, line BC, line. Then AB નું શું થયું જો? AB નું B આવ્યું. AC નું શું થયું? C આવ્યું.
CA.
AD નું શું થયું? DA આવ્યું.
DA.
BC નું શું થયું? CB આવ્યું. BD, DB. CD, DC. All 12 ways, all 12 possible ways. We got the answer what Muhammad sir has told, written in this. Any doubt here, girls?
No, sir, no doubt. No, sir, no doubt.
Sure. See, line segment nahi rakhwani. We have to do line. This is the symbol of line. This is said to be line AB, line BA, line AC, line CA. Is that clear, girls?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Chalo, if you
sir.
want, you can have the picture of question 1, question 2, and question 3 also you can take, so that when I do question 3, I will not have to give you a time to have a screenshot. Have a screenshot for these answers, beta. Question 1, 2, and 3.
Mohammed, sir.
हाँ बोलो.
Sir, I got.
Hello. Hello, your voice is not coming. Please come again.
Okay, sir.
Come on, girls. Now, who is going to read this question number 3? Girls, anybody who wants to read question number 3?
Sir, here is answer page only.
Okay. Now, who is going to read question 3?
My Imam.
Yes.
Aisha.
Iman. Then Aisha. Iman, question number 3. Aisha, question number 4.
Okay, sir.
Come on, start.
Number 3. Use the figure to name A. Line containing point E. B. Line passing through A. C. Line on which O lies. Two parts of interesting lines.
Chalo. The figure is given here for this question. The figure is given here. Okay. Is that okay, girls?
Yes.
Hello. Now we have to use the figure to name. What is the figure given? There is one line and there are two other lines which is intersecting to that line. Are you getting? Intersecting point B is one point and intersecting point E is the another point. Can you see here? And there is a line AD I can say. Line AD I can say, line AD આપેલી છે, in which B is intersecting in between line AD and point E is intersecting outside line AD. Now line containing point E. Point E contain करती line कई छे? Which line you can tell? What is the line that is containing E? Can I say line AE? E ने contain करती line कई छे? Can I say line AE and line FE? समझाय છે કે નથી સમજાતું?
Yes, sir.
A point E contain करती line कई छे? तो can I say line FE is one line? Can I say line AE directly? AE, or you can say EA is the another line. So there are two lines. What is containing point E? समझाई છે?
Yes.
Check here. There are two lines. What is containing point E? AE, or we can say FE. AE and FE. Any doubt?
No, sir, no doubt.
चलो, line passing through point A. Line passing through point A. Point A ઉપર થી કઈ લાઈન પાસ થાય છે? Come on, girls.
BD.
AE.
Point A ઉપરથી ક્યાં થાય? Point A ઉપરથી તો થાય છે AD, I can say, and I can say AE. There are two lines passing through point A. Point A ઉપરથી કઈ લાઈન પાસ થાય છે? AD and AE. Point A ઉપરથી બીજી કોઈ લાઈન જ પાસ નથી થતી. Are you getting? A ઉપરથી કઈ બે લાઈન કનેક્ટ થાય છે? AD and AE. Check here. They said AE or DE. We can say AD or point AE. Any doubt here? E નથી લખવાનું. I can say from point A, the line passes through is line AD. અહીંયા કરો તો line AD થઈ જાય, right? Then if we go up to E, so I can say line A is the another line passing through point A. A ઉપરથી ગઈ ના line? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then line on which O lies. O કોના ઉપર lie કરે છે? કઈ લાઈન ઉપર?
C. C.
No લખવાનું હોય. Can I say OC, or I can say OB? O lies on line OB, or I can say line OC. સમજ પડે છે કે નહીં?
Yes, sir, understand.
You getting, girls?
Yes, sir.
Point O lies on line OB, or I can say line OC. Understood? Now two pairs of intersecting line. Two pairs of intersecting line. Two pairs of intersecting line. Can I say OD is one line? Sorry, AD. OD ne, AD is one line. Can I say CO is the another line? Over here at point B it is intersected. Any doubt here?
No, sir, no doubt.
Can I say the another line is AE? AE is one line. Akhi. And can I say FE is the another line at intersecting point E itself? So which are the two pairs? Can you see here which is intersected? Which are the two pairs? કઈ બે pair દેખાય છે તમને? Can I say AD is one pair? AD and CO is one pair, and another pair is AE, FE. Are the four pairs of line which is intersected to each other. This is one pair which is intersected to each other. This is another pair which is intersected to each other. AD and CO. Okay? AD and CO intersected at point B. Then AE directly to FE intersected at point E. Any doubt here, girls?
No, sir, no doubt.
Pakune, you took the screenshot of this answer, right? Question number 3. And answer no screenshot લઈ લીધો જ ને?
Yes,
બધાએ?
sir.
Okay, chalo. Question
Yes.
number 4. Okay, question number 4. કઈ દીકરીને મેં કીધું તો રીડ કરવાનું? I gave to read this to one girl.
Sir, Aisha.
ચલો બેટા રીડ કરો. કોણ છે?
Sir, you have told to Aisha.
આયશા રીડ કર બેટા. You there, Aisha? You there? Yes or no? If not, then somebody else come up, please, to read this question.
Sir, can you listen?
Yes, Muskan.
Okay, sir. Question number 4. How many lines can pass through A, one given point, B, two given points?
Okay. So in this, we do not have to draw a whole diagram and prove ourselves. No. We have to just simply attend the question. How many lines can pass through one given point? એક point આપેલો છે. This one point is given. So how many lines can be passed through from one given point? Can I say infinite? It can be many and which cannot be countable. It is infinite. You can pass three line to anywhere from this center point. Are you getting? From the one given point. Are you understanding the concept what I'm trying to teach you, girls?
Yes, sir.
What you can write here? You can write here that infinite line can pass through one given point. This is all one question. How many lines can pass through one given point? Infinite line can pass through one given point. Is that clear, girls?
Yes, sir.
Now, how many lines can pass through from two given points? A point આપેલા છે, for example. How many lines can pass through two given points? બંને points ને ટચ થયેલી લાઈન જતા કેટલી લાઈન્સ થઈ શકે? બંનેને ક્રોસ કરતી લાઈન. Can I say one line? ગમે તે ડિરેક્શનમાં બે પોઈન્ટ હોય, whether it is horizontal, vertical, don't worry. But at two given points, how many lines can pass through? From two given points. Girls, how many line can pass through from two given points?
1.
Hello?
1 line.
Is vertically. So આવી રીતે છે. So if we want to cross both the points, બંને પોઈન્ટમાં ક્રોસ કરતી લાઈન કેટલી જાય? Only one line. Is that clear the difference between 1 point and 2 points?
Yes, sir.
Come
Yes,
back
sir.
to the answer column. So now see answer number 4. Infinite number of line can pass through one given point. See, the example was given by Mohammed sir. And only one line can pass through from two given points. If two given points are there, only one line can pass through from it. Can you pass this? Can you pass this if two given points are there? બે line pass થઈ શકે આમ? આમ? તો બે અલગ-અલગ point ઉપરથી થઈ. Are you getting? From both the points, only one line can pass through. Okay, girls?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo. Question number 5. Who wants to read this? Who wants to read this, girls?
Can I?
Yes, you can.
Number 5. Number 6. Consider
Number
the following.
5. Number 5.
Number 5. Draw a rough figure and label suitable in each of the following cases. Number 2 point P lies and AB. B. XY and PQ.
Oh, bhai,
intersect
oi, શાંતિ. આ એક સમ છે, પેલા સોલ્વ તો કર. Draw a rough figure. We have to draw a rough figure and label suitably in each of the following cases. Label suitably means the content what is given we have to follow and we have to draw a diagram. Is that clear?
Yes.
So sum number A is what? Point P lies on line AB. It is line AB, not line segment. Huh? The point P lies on line AB. So what we have to do here is, what is written? We have to draw a line. Okay.
Okay.
A, B. Any doubt here, girls? And point P lies anywhere here. Anywhere. ગમે ત્યાં મૂકી શકો point P. Because what it is said, point P lies on line AB. You can put anywhere. અહીંયા ગમે ત્યાં મૂકી શકો. It doesn't mean કે અહીંયા જ મૂકવું પડે. No. Between A and B, you can put anywhere point P. Is that clear? પણ point P અહીંયા ના ચાલે. Point P out આ A ની પેલા પણ ના ચાલે. Is that clear, girls?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt here? Point P lies on line AB.
No, sir, no doubt.
ચલો, question number B. Read કરાવે. કાંઈ ગઈ ઓલી દીકરી? Who was reading this question 5?
I would read Iman.
Yes, read please.
Number B. X, Y and PQ interest at
Okay.
M.
ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ છે
No.
નો કઈ છે
Intersect.
હા તો પછી નો સર ને કેવા આવે
Intersect
છે
છે.
ખોટું વાંચે છે. So line XY and line PQ intersect at point M. That means, can I draw this like here? And can I draw like this? We can draw any diagram.
Yes.
Arrows, both the end arrow should be there. હવે કઈ બે લાઈન કીધી છે? Line XY and PQ. Can I say this is,
Right.
I can say XY. And can I take this as PQ?
Yes.
Okay. Intersect at point M. So can I say that this intersecting point I'll give name as M? My sum is over.
Yes. Okay.
समझ पड़ी girls?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Check here both the answers. AP, line AP. If it is given line segment, then line segment, but it is always line. Line ni vachmat point P hoy. Are you getting? Point P can be anywhere, here, in between from point A to B. You can keep anywhere at point B, point P. Is that clear, girls? Now, line QP, PQ and XY at point M. Our sum is over. સમજાય છે કે નહીં?
Yes. સમજાય છે.
ચલો. Question number C. In the same content, question number C.
Line contains E and F
Line
but not
L. આ શું છે? દેખાય છે? આખું વાંચ.
line.
લાઈન, ખાલી લાઈન છે?
No. Line contain E and F but not D.
એટલે શું?
Means that line I contains C and F, but it is not contained in
Line
the
L. Now we have to draw line L. Can I say I am drawing line?
Yeah.
Now,
Okay.
can I say this is line L? I'll give the name as L. Okay. So line L, my E and F contain થાય છે. So I will give the name E over here and I will give the name F over here.
Yeah. E.
Okay. Contains EF but not D. So D I can put anywhere nearby outside line L. It can be upper side, it can be below, downside. I can keep anywhere point D. સમજાય છે કે નહીં? D point હોવો જરૂરી છે because it is described but not point D. That means D you can take anywhere outside line L. Line L છે અહીંયા બહાર ગમે ત્યાં તમે D લઈ શકો. It can be taken outside line L. સમજ પડી ગઈ કે નહીં? Any doubt with this?
No, sir. No doubt. No doubt.
Girls, any doubt with this?
No, sir. No, sir. No doubt. No doubt.
Hello.
No, sir. No doubt.
Hello. Are you all getting my voice?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.